Am I audible now?
Yeah, you're audible. Perfect. How are you?
Yeah. I'm good. How are you?
Very good. How was your new year?
Very good. I think with the increasing amount of sales, the new year felt very good.
Oh, good to hear that. Okay.
Uh,
Yes, it's been. I wanted to ask you that. Yeah, it's how's your experience in terms of sales, Ishita? Before working with us and after working with us now.
yeah, so I like completely think that I was wasting my money on spending on ads without any knowledge. But now when I see the results, like on an average, we have 4-5 orders every day. So that is a very good thing to have. And plus, I think the amount of money which we are putting in, we're getting the results, and which we were not getting before, to be honest. So I think somewhere we are on the right track.
Okay. Okay. That's good to hear. So you said you were like wasting the money, right, when you were doing ads. So why did you decide to do ads on your own, like when you didn't have any experience?
Okay, so everything was very new for me. I thought that
Hmm.
first I'll try to figure everything out on my own. How does the whole thing work? And then eventually I like try to find people who can do this job
Hmm.
better for me. Like I was not very much aware of everything, to be honest. And it's while doing that I got to know that there's so many things with the ads also. There are people who manage ads thing also properly. So maybe it was
Hmm.
just lack of like lack of awareness that caused everything.
Okay, okay, that makes sense. So I mean, there are a lot of people in this space, like you. What would you
Yeah.
advise them or recommend them, who are not aware of, like, who don't know, anything about ads and all?
I would say try to find people who have knowledge about it, like who are totally into it, and from day one just
Hmm.
give it to them to handle the ads part, and you just focus on designing and marketing what you are good at, and just delegate the task of ads to the people
Hmm.
who are much more into technology and are aware about it, rather than wasting the time and money everything.
Okay, makes sense, makes sense. And I remember, when we were having a conversation, like, before onboarding, you mentioned you had some trust issues with us, right? I mean, how do you
Yeah,
feel? How do you feel now after
no,
working with us?
it's very nice. You guys are like always available. You guys properly respond to everything. So it's like very good that the conversation is proper, communication is
Hmm.
proper. Whatever doubts I have, you guys resolve it. So it's very good.
Okay, that's good.
The
And
trust issue is like it was completely gone in first 2 to 3 days.
okay, fair enough. And what do you think what we could have done better, let's say in terms of onboarding or anything in specific? Like one thing that we could have done
Uh,
better or we could improve on.
Okay, so just one thing I realized recently was like it was lack of explaining properly from my end. Also, like we can plan things properly. Like if there's a reel or a image that we are putting in the ad or anything, like we can plan it accordingly so we can fix this sourcing issue. So, for example, if we are boosting one reel of a dress, if like
Hmm.
we can know in prior that we are going to boost this reel, so and we are expecting a certain number of orders, say like 4-5 orders per day, so I can plan the sourcing of that particular fabric in prior to avoid the
Hmm.
delay in dispatching and production and everything.
Working with you. But how do you,
Exactly, yeah.
see the future, like let's say 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, working with us? Like, do you think that you would achieve your
Hmm.
goals, now?
I think more I will achieve more than I was expecting. To be very honest, because the amount of
Hmm.
results, I was not expecting this result in just 1 week. I honestly
Hmm.
wasn't. I thought that let's just go with it, let's see how things are working. But then when now I see it coming, I think I need to expand my vision more. Like the goal I was having for 1 year, we can literally achieve it in 6 months. So now I am thinking in that terms that now I have a proper team so I can plan like my vision accordingly.
Okay.